my goodness.
Lily, show us what they are. This is the car.
Let me see.
And this is parts.
Oh.
This one's the car. Then this one.
Oh, very cool.
This is to Lily and Veda from the Brennan game.
So that means what? You have to share?
We're gonna build the whole thing. Can we build it today, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lily? What'd you do? Your ball!
Let me see. The ball! Oh my goodness!
Lily? You like to do the last. What is this? There's swirly slide!
No way. Very
Can
cool.
we build it right now?
Huh? Yeah, look here. Say thanks.
Thank you, Auntie and Uncle Bobo and Tyler and Nathan.
And who else?
And Max.
And Max.
And